Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make hot sauce using some peppers that I fermented about a month and a half ago and pineapples. Stay tuned. Okay, here are the fermented vegetables. There are peppers, carrots, onions, and garlic. And I have bag of frozen chunk pineapple that I'm going to pour into it, about half of it. Okay, and I'm going to blend it up. Start off on low and then I'm going to move up to high. Okay, welcome back. This is the blended product, the fermented vegetables and the pineapple. Okay, what I'm going to do next is pour it through a strainer that has a cheesecloth on it, so the liquid can drain out and I can keep the pulp. This may take a period of time, so when it's through, I'll come back. Okay, we're back. Here's the liquid that came from the mash. Now I'm going to add a little vinegar to it that will help stop the fermenting process. And I'm also going to add some spices that I like. First will be half a teaspoon of Jamaican curry powder. Next will be half a teaspoon of garlic. Next will be a fourth of a teaspoon of ginger. Last will be a fourth of a teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, I'm going to blend everything together. And then the last step will be to use a thickener. Let's check for the thickness. Add another half a tablespoon. And check for thickness again. Yep, it is, looks like it's almost there. Maybe another half a teaspoon. Let's go with a fourth. I don't want to do too much. Give it a quick pulse. Perfect. Okay, next we're going to bottle. These bottles were purchased off of Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link and post it in the comment section. Don't have any more bottles, but I do have a canister that I could put it in. Much in this one, so let's pour a little bit into this one. Okay. Did the same thing with this one, so let's pour a little out. Okay, that should be enough. Wipe everything down. I saw that one. Cap this one. Okay, now we're going to cap these. Excuse me, now to get the most important thing, my wife's hair dryer. Something happened with my GoPro. It didn't capture me using the hair dryer.